Hey, what's up? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this right now, you might be checking out Coursera and maybe you're looking at their affiliate program and perhaps you're wondering, can you make money by recommending Coursera products? What is this all about? How do you get started? How do you make money with this? Let's check it all out to find out how you can start generating some income using their affiliate program, okay? So Coursera is a very large e-learning platform essentially. So they work with a lot of different companies. They work with a lot of top institutions. For example, some of the big universities like Yale. They work with big companies like Google and IBM, and they have all sorts of different courses inside that will allow you to learn all sorts of different things. Let me show you right here. So you can learn different things like artificial AI, business, data science, information technology, healthcare, social science, personal development. So basically you're learning from the experts, and Coursera is just a platform that allows you to access these experts. You can even get certified, okay? So you can get professional certifications for IT, for data science, for things like AI, Excel, machine learning, SQL, right? So some really technical stuff there. But essentially what you can do as an affiliate is you can resell their courses and programs and make money that way. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that, right? So if you come to the Coursera website, and you just scroll all the way down to affiliates, okay, you're going to land on this page right here. And they're going to give you a little bit more information about it. We'll talk about this a little bit. But essentially, you can earn up to 45% commissions when you sell their courses, all right? And so how do you actually do this? Well, it's very simple. All you do is you join the program. You choose out of their 4,000 courses and specializations right here. And then you can promote anyone you want. You can get your specific links. I'll show you how to do that. And then you're going to earn up to 45% commissions, and we'll talk about that in a second, okay? Now, how does this work, right? So if you come down here, you can receive commissions for basically any valid purchases of courses, specializations, and professional certificates, and Coursera Plus subscriptions. All right, and you know, you were on the page earlier. It just depends on what products people buy, but essentially there are different levels that people buy at, okay, and depending on their level will depend on how much you make. So for example, if people go through your link and they browse courses for free, you're not going to make anything. But if they buy something like a specialization, they start at $49 per month, and you can make up to 45% commissions on that, right? There are also professional certifications right here, right? Again, very similar, $49 per month up to, okay? And they've got some master track certifications starting at $2,000, and you can also make money from there. And then they've got some bigger ones right here. Bachelor's and master's degree, starting at $9,000, and you can make commissions on those as well, okay? So pretty exciting stuff, right? How do you get your link? Well, basically they work with a very big affiliate network called Impact, okay? So if you come to Impact right here, you can just click on sign up, and you're going to be able to join their business to consumer affiliate program that allows you to make money on their products when you sell them. And it's very, very simple. All you do is you come to Impact, you sign up, fill out all your details, okay? And depending on if the course is a one-time course or a subscription course, the commissions are slightly different. So if it's one time, you can make between 20 and up to 45% on the one-time course fee, all right? So if the course fee is $50, you make, let's just say, 45%. So that would be, $22 commission one time. If it's a subscription, it's between 15 and 45%. It just depends on what they actually buy, all right? Is it a guided project? Again, this starts at $9.99. There's a specialization at $49. The master track certificates are, $2,000, and the bachelor and master degrees, $9,000. All right. So everything works through Impact. Impact basically pays you as well. They work with a lot of different companies, right? So Coursera is just one of the companies that they work with. Impact manages their entire affiliate program. So you get all of your links directly from Impact. So if you like a course, you can grab that specific link from Impact. And when you sell it and somebody buys, right, you make a commission through Coursera, and Impact pays you out after 30 days. So you would set everything up through Impact. They pay out through check, through PayPal. They've got multiple ways of getting paid. So it's a pretty cool program, all right? And so here's what I would say. I would say that if you want to make a little bit of money by promoting Coursera products, it really depends on who you are. Because here's the thing about affiliate marketing and promoting on the other company's products online. If you are already experienced, that's, for example, you're already an affiliate, maybe you're a creator, maybe you've got a TikTok following, a following on YouTube, on Instagram, it's very easy. You could grab any of these affiliate links from Impact for Coursera, and You could promote a course on AI, on data science, on, for example, Excel or AI or Python, right? If you're speaking to a group of people that are interested in this topic, then it's very easy. You can make a video, you can just drop your link, right? So it's very easy for people that already have a lot of followers. But if you're a beginner and you want to, start doing affiliate marketing, you're starting from zero, which is, I guess, the only problem, right? And unfortunately, Coursera doesn't necessarily, well, you would have to get a course that will teach you on how to do it. For example, become a social media specialist, right? So there is a little bit of a learning curve, okay? It doesn't mean that you can't make it. It's just a little bit easier if you're somebody that's already experienced. Maybe you have a following, then it's going to be easy for you to just plug this in, grab a course that you like, drop an affiliate link, and then you can make sales. If you're at a beginner, then you're going to have to learn first how to build up a little bit of a following so that you can then promote the products specifically in these areas. And that's important too. Okay, so for example, you can't promote a SQL course to an AI group of people, right? Maybe a few of them might be interested, but the majority of them won't be interested. Or for example, you can't promote arts and humanities if your audience is all about AI, for example. Yeah, so you have to match the offer to the audience, and that's really, really important. Okay, but don't worry, I'm going to show you a way to be able to learn this if you want to start making some money from affiliate marketing, promoting Coursera products and other products as well. Okay, so if you are checking out the affiliate program, I think it's pretty cool. All you need to do is head over to coursera.org and you can go to the affiliates page right here, grab your links through Impact, and have fun making money through the Coursera affiliate program. Now, I've been marketing online for 16 years right now. On this particular channel, I review all sorts of different strategies to make money online. I think affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to do that. I literally changed my life. I went full time. I made millions of dollars selling other people's products online through affiliate marketing. There's a very, very specific step-by-step way to do it. So if you'd like to learn how to do that, all you need to do is just click the link below, right below the link in the description box in the comment section below, and I'll show you exactly how you can get started doing this, and I'll see you soon inside.